all of you. Welcome in the video Faraday era. So, as we know, Faraday Era Mobility Private Limited is the Indian startup company and dedicated for the manufacturing of supercars in the particular electric segment as well the hybrid segment. So, Faraday Era have the very unique methodology for the production. So Heredera believe in the technology which is useful for the people in very simple manner. So as we know, we are continuously providing the quality as well as the consistency in our product. So currently we are entering in the third year and it is the correct time to provide the information about our supercar. So Faraday supercar is a ultra high performance sports segment supercar. So this car is very ultra fast as well as the very precise control system in this car. So this car is almost 90% automated and 10% depend on the human. So most of the decision taken by the computers available in the car. So again, I would like to share about the battery capacity. So battery capacity for this vehicle is 200 kWh. So 200 kWh battery pack used in this supercar for provide the range of 650 kilometers. So when you charge your vehicle from 10% to 100%, then you can travel up to 650 kilometer by this vehicle. Again, one segment is hybrid mode. So in which we are using V12 plus powertrain, that is electric powertrain, so that this engine can produce the electricity and then after this electricity fed to the powertrain and powertrain is the electric technology. So our four wheeler is uh, we can switch on the electric mode. So both vehicle are differ than each other. So simple supercar is less costlier than the hybrid. So if you if you want to about the price, then you can visit our website and our website is under process. Website may be available within a 4 months or 5 months and until you can take the information via the another medium like call. Then after visiting our experience center, we are planned to open our experience center at Bandra Kurla complex, Bombay. and BKC. Then after we are going to open our another second experience center is in New Delhi. So again, our plan is to establish our research and development facility in United States of United Emirates, United Arab of Emirates, UAE, in Dubai, and keep connected with us for the update related to our supercar by the Faraday era. And I hope this information is helpful for you as well you are known. So we are going to stop here and you are watching Faraday Mobility Private Limited. Thank you. Keep connected.